Hello, my name is Paula, and today I got my second makeup box subscription. It's Bellaskinbox, and if you want to see what's included, stay tuned. If you're new to my channel and you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell so you get updates of when I post new subscription boxes, and give this video a big thumbs up. As I've said before, I have been watching a lot of YouTube channels talk about the makeup boxes that they've been unboxing, so I've subscribed to some myself. I've already done my first one of the Glitz Glam box, and I'll link it right here. This is my second one that came today, and I was gonna be lazy today and not put on any makeup, but since this came, I felt like I had to open it, but I also had to do it for you and make a video of it. So I put on my face. I'm going to open it. I haven't even cut it open yet. I do have my scissors here. Cut it open. Get into it. Oh, okay, this is what it looks like. Lots of paperwork in there. Yay, I'm so excited. Bellaskinbox. Stay home, stay safe, and skincare. Yes! Okay, so this one is going to tell me what's in it. And it tells me that I'm going to have $140 worth of product in here. Oh, $140. Oh my word. You know what? I don't even remember how much I paid for this one. The theme of this box is Me Time Botanicals. Yay, me time. I love that. Why? What is me time and why is it so important? Ever hear the airlines during their safety drills say, put your oxygen mask on before helping others? This is absolutely true. What a great reminder to self-care. Ditch the guilt because you can't pour from an empty cup. Most of us know that self-care is essential. Yay, and then it gives you 10 top me time tips. And what a great time to be doing me time because we're stuck inside. Okay. Now here's what it looks like after all of that's off of it. Yay, I'm so excited. Okay, so the first thing that was in my box is this. It's called Dirty Lamb Ultra Night Serum, and it was a free gift because this was my first time to order from them, so I received it as a gift in my box. So I'm not sure how much it's worth because it's not on my card, and let's see if I can read on it about it. Our high antioxidant blend of fatty acid oils will keep skin hydrated. You're supposed to apply 2 to 3 drops before bed, warming between the palms of your hands, putting in the face and neck. Keep the glow going in the morning with Dirty Lamb Ultra Day Serum. And that was my free gift because I just ordered. I was a brand new customer. Okay, so the first thing that comes in the box is this Save the Wave Retinol Serum, Hydrating Retinol Serum. There we go. Save the Wave Hydrating Retinol Serum. And it's 1 ounce. And the retail value on this is $68. And I did find out that I paid $35 for the box. So let's see what this is like. Get it pumped out here. Come on. Oh, I hear it coming. Oh, ooh, there it goes. It squirted out. It just squirted out. And look, there it is. Let's see what it feels like. Yeah. Does smell good too. And there's, you know, it's not greasy feeling, it doesn't look greasy feeling, and it went right into my skin. Okay, I like that. Let's see what it says that how we're supposed to use this one. It has this incredibly light but hydrating combination of retinol and maxillary proteins. Naturally stimulates collagen production, which collagen is good for your wrinkles and fine lines. I need that. This improves, oh, there we go. This improves the appearance of the skin's texture, decreases the look of fine lines, and creates a more youthful glow. Yay, that's exactly what I want to do. So that is, I am so excited to use that. So Save the Wave Hydrating Retinol Serum. Good, that was $68. Okay, the next one is a Tropical Naturals Facial Serum, and it's in a pretty box with tropical flowers on it. Isn't that pretty? So this is a facial serum. Ooh, pretty. I like that. Okay, it comes with a little dropper. Let's read about it. It retails for $37, and it is meant to help moisturize the skin, fight against acne, help with scarring. Ooh, I like that because I have chickenpox scarring. I'm at the age where you still got chickenpox. You didn't get a shot, so you didn't have to have it. This serum will restore the skin elasticity and leave you with soft, smooth skin. Yay! That's great. Shake well before each use. Apply 1 to 3 drops of freshly washed, slightly damp face and neck. All right. And it's $37. Okay, let's see if I can get it open and we can see what it's like. Little scissors here. Come on. There we go. Okay. How many of y'all had chickenpox? Are you in the chickenpox age group? Did you have chickenpox? Did you have the shot? Let me know. Do you have scarring? Do you need this for scarring for those chickenpox? Okay, there it is. Comes in a dropper. I'm just gonna put one little drop on my. See what it feels like. Kind of yellowy. There it goes into the skin. Now this one is a little bit more oilier than the other, but it said it would be. But it's soaking right in and not leaving it oily. It doesn't feel that way at all. So, and if it helps with my chickenpox scars and some of my other scars, I am all good with that. Ooh. Okay, and then we have this Me Time Botanical Sweet Kisses Pomegranate Citrus Mint Lip Treatment. Good. Me Time Botanicals Sweet Kisses Pomegranate Citrus and Mint Lip Treatment. I don't have mint lip treatment, so I'll be anxious to see what this is in mint. I love mint. So let's see what it's like. Well, it doesn't want me to get into it either. There we go. Okay. Whew. Open it up. Oh, it's on a little roller ball. I guess you just put it on your lips. So let me read about. It does smell like mint. Love that mint. Let me read about it. It says, Sweet Kisses is a nourishing lip treatment oil to promote healthy and soft lips. A blend of botanical oils of avocado, pomegranate, jobia, and baobab, strengthening and moisturizing those delicate lips. A sweet blend of sweet orange and peppermint essential oils is sure to give your lips a light tinglet. Ooh, a little tinglet. Ew, tingle. And this retails for $17. So I've got lipstick on and gloss, so I'm not going to do it on. Oh, it does smell good. Ooh, it does have a little bit of a color to it, but I bet that goes away after a little bit. I'm gonna have to try that tonight. I love that. Okay, so the last thing then that we have is an after spa hair towel. I have always seen these, always wanted one, but never would buy myself one. So I am so glad to do this. And I'm going to be taking a bath tonight, and I'm going to try this because I want to see what it's like. I'm so excited about this. Okay, I've always wanted one of these. I've never bought myself one. I've got it pushed down so I don't cut it. I want to see what it's like. You know, I am a pink girl too, so this is really cool. Ooh, I may have to read the instructions on how to put this on. Okay, you do it this way, and then you twist it, and then you put it up, and you put it on the button. That way it stays. How many of you use a towel to do your hairs in the morning and it's always plopping off? And this one wouldn't do that. Do you use a towel? What do you use to do your hair with? Drop me a comment below and let me know. This is really cool. What is it called? An after spa hair towel. So let me know. Do you use a hair towel? Do you use a regular towel? Okay, so that's all. And this retails for $18. Okay, so later I did take a bath and I used the hair wrap. I love it. It's so much easier. It stays on better. And it matches my pink fluffy robe. Don't mind my face. I'm fixing to do my skincare routine. So, $18. The lip refresher, lip botanical, and the lip botanicals is $17. The botanicals facial serum, whoops, is $37. And then the hydrating retinol serum was $68. So I'll put a total of what the retail value is right here. And remember, I only paid $35 for it. And then because I was a new customer, I got to pick, I think they had 2 choices of what to pick. And I had heard that this Dirty Lamb Ultra Night Serum was really good from someone else. And so I decided to pick it because I'd never heard. Do you get any subscription boxes? Have you got the Bella skincare? Are you into skincare or more makeup? Let me know. Do you like the skincare? Do you want to see my skincare routine? Drop a comment below. Maybe I need to record a video over my skincare. I've just started skincare, so it's new to me, and maybe somebody else out there needs to know what they need to be doing also. So drop a comment. Let me know. Did you like this video? What can I improve on? This is just my second unboxing. Thanks for watching, and everybody stay safe and have a great day.